Hi everybody. In our earlier lectures we have studied the noun, its types, and then we studied its number. Now we will study nouns gender in details. Gender denotes whether the noun is a male or female, both, or a lifeless object. Examples are he is a boy, boy is male. Next example is she is a girl, girl is female. This is a bag, bag is neuter. And the baby cried, the baby is common. Now we'll study types of genders. The first one is masculine gender, second one is feminine gender, third one is common gender, and the fourth one is neuter gender. If we study in details, masculine gender denotes a male person or an animal. For example, man, cock, horse, uncle, lion, and they show strength and violence generally. Other example of this is winter, thunder, wind, and time. When we talk of the feminine gender in details, we say it denotes a female that is of feminine nature. Its examples are woman, actress, cow, bitch, lady, and it shows gracefulness, gentleness, and beauty. When we talk of common gender, it is a noun that denotes both male and female. Its examples are child, baby, teacher, student, doctor, friend, parent. The last one is neuter gender. It is a noun that denotes lifeless things. Its examples are book, table, chair, bag, door, river, computer, and notebook, etc. Now we have certain methods of making feminine genders of a masculine gender. So we have divided in total 5 parts here. The first part we will see by adding suffix es. Suffix means the portion added at the last. Headings are masculine and feminine. See here, prince will become princess because we are adding es in the last. Lion, lioness. Hare, heiress. Host, hostess. Poet, poetess. Author, authoress. Manager, manageress. Jew, Jewess. Prophet, prophet. Prophetess. Shepherd, shepherdess. Tailor, tailoress. Priest, priestess. Giant, giantess. Count, countess. And the second method is by using different words like masculine and feminine. Under heading of masculine, we'll see sultan, its feminine will be sultana. Father, mother. King, queen. Nephew, niece. Dog, bitch. Master, mistress. Prince, princess. Uncle, aunt. Emperor, empress. Sir, madam. Gentleman, lady. Lord, lady. Boy, girl. Widow, widower. Widower, widow. And the third one is making feminine gender by removing last vowel and adding es. So some examples are given here. Negro under masculine head and negress will be feminine. Emperor, empress. So can you see the difference here? Last vowel O was here in the Negro, so we have removed this and here added E double S. Likewise, emperor, we will remove this O, make it E and add SS. Empress, murderer, murderess, hunter, huntress, waiter, waitress. You will see this vowel was at the last, but here it is last but one. So what we did, murderess, R E double S, last R and last vowel plus the vowel prior to it are removed. Waiter, waitress, prince, princess. Fourth one, fourth method is by adding es to masculine without any rule. Masculine and feminine are the headings. The first word is Dutch, Duchess बन जाएगा, इसका कोई रूल इन्होंने लगाया नहीं है, तो without rule we are governing this. God, goddess, master, mastress, actor, actress, governor, governess. And the last method, that is fifth one, it is by changing first or the last word of a compound masculine. So masculine words are here and its feminine will make this side. Here compound word under masculine heading is milkman. So milkman to milkmaid we have made. Washerman, washer woman हो गया. Grandfather, grandmother हो गया. So first and last, here we are changing now last words. Have you seen there? Maid, woman and mother. And here father-in-law, we have made it mother-in-law, so we have changed the first one. See here, father to mother-in-law. Landlord, landlady, again last word we have changed here, lord to lady. Peacock, peahen, cock का hen बना दिया, last वाला change किया. Man servant, maid servant. So first one again, man to maid. He goat, she goat, again first one we have changed. Headmaster, head mistress, last one we have changed here. So this was all about changing the gender of a noun in 5 headings we have learned, and we had total 4 types of genders: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and the neuter gender, which we have already studied in details. Read this video and note it down for your coffee. Rest exercises separately, I'll be giving a photo for you. Have a good day.